up, everybody? It's your second favorite Plata person. And much like the platypus and my investment portfolio, I don't do much. So real quick, I just wanted to say that, guys, we're so close to 200 subscribers. As of earlier today, when I checked, we are at 185 subscribers, and we're so close to 200, and that's another milestone for us. That's not a lot, but it's our milestone. So just a reminder to share this video and any of our videos with your friends. Someone who hasn't seen it, maybe would like it, enjoy it, and subscribe to it. And thank you to everybody that is subscribed already. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for sticking around. You guys want to see some ducks? What are these guys doing? Oh. Stupid car. Do you get it? Okay. Ooh. Rolls Royce. You know, it's funny, growing up in Northern California, it was a very rare occasion. In fact, it was a treat whenever you got to see a Lamborghini or a Ferrari, or in this case a Rolls Royce, or any other exotic, expensive car, you know. But living here in Las Vegas the last, what's it been, 5 years? I feel like you get kind of jaded, because like you see them all over the place here in Vegas. Every which way you look, you see an expensive exotic car. You know, you go to a car meet out here and half the cars are Ferraris or Lamborghinis or Maseratis or you know, anything super expensive like that. Like even McLarens, you see them out here pretty regularly. And it kind of takes the magic away from seeing them driving down the road, you know. I even saw a Bugatti not too far from where I'm at right now, but a Bugatti Veyron was just driving down the road, you know. It kind of takes the rarity, the elusiveness out of it, because you see them so often. Oh, it's just a turn right there. These are big boys. These speed bumps are so big, I'm worried about bottoming out. I don't want to crack the fairings on this bike. You might be able to believe it because this bike is newer, and actually I think there's more parts to it. But the fairings for this bike are, I think like $150 or so more than the fairings for the ZX10. I thought that was pretty interesting. I mean, I guess it makes sense because it's newer, and like I said, it's got more pieces to it. I don't know, I just kind of figured that the bigger bike would cost more. And yes, I'm still waiting for the fairings to come in. I know they shipped, I just haven't received tracking information yet. My people! Do any of you guys ever think that when you see random motorcyclists? Anyway, guys, it's pretty hot out here. I'm gonna go home, get some water. If you like the video, go ahead and leave a like. Make sure to share with your friends. Get us to that 200 subscriber goal. Make sure to subscribe yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have to stop if you don't go through the stop sign.